Hello guys, review smartphone Honor 10i. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. Device in the blue color. In completion we have key for SIM slot, instructions and protected back cover. Okay, and micro USB cable and adapter for charging. That's all. Completion without headphones. Okay. We have only charging cable and protected back cover. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side we have triple camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side display 6.2-inch front camera and speaker. On the left side without controls, right side power key and bulb keys, upside slot for SIM card. Downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. Open settings, look Android version UMI 9.0.1, version Android 9. Okay, close this. Display LTPS, resolution Full HD+. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. GPU Mali G51, resolution and display PPA. CPU High Silicon Kirin 710. This is octa-core processor 4 plus 4 cores. First 4 cores work 1.7 GHz and second 4 cores 2.2 GHz. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU results. Compare. Okay, close Geekbench 4 and open onto the benchmark, look onto the score. Onto the score. Audio touch test, 10 touches support display and ranking. Okay, close onto the benchmark and open demanded game. Demanded game GTA San Andreas. Run GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level. Display setup. Graphic level max. Start game. Okay, game works perfect on the max graphic level. Very good gameplay. Okay, close GTA San Andreas and open next test. Next test, camera test. Main camera 24 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels, front camera 32 megapixels, and now I show you what's on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.